Hello and welcome to Albino Monkey. Albino Monkey is a brand selling the best kitchen supplies all over the world. We offer some of the world's high-quality, durable and easy-to-use products to help you unleash your creativity and create masterpieces that your family can enjoy. Do check out our Albino Monkey sushi making kit for beginners that comes with a sashimi knife, a rice paddle, a rice spreader, 2 bamboo sushi mats, a black sushi bazooka, green avocado slicer, a red nigiri tool, 5 pairs of reusable chopsticks, and a handy storage bag. How can you miss our Albino Monkey reusable chopsticks? These lightweight, stainless steel chopsticks flaunt a colorful holographic design and offers you the best value for your money. So, what are you waiting for? Hurry up and buy the best kitchen supplies in the market today. Visit us at albinomonkey.com or follow us at Facebook.